Hello.
Hi, Jessica.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
Good.
Okay, thank you so much to join with us. Dear Rasel bhai, please just hi hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Okay, this is my mentor Joy.
Hi, Jessica.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good, good.
Okay, thank you. Dear Rasel bhai, কি নিয়ে কথা বলতে হবে?
ইউটিউব চ্যানেল তার কোনো ভিউজ নাই, এসইও না, ইউটিউব চ্যানেল মনিটাইজেশন নিয়ে কথা হচ্ছে আর কি। আর ইউটিউব
Okay,
চ্যানেল করার জন্য।
okay. Dear Jessica.
Yes.
Okay, according to discuss with Mr. Rasel, hopefully you need to update your YouTube channel. Yes.
Yes.
Hello. Okay, no problem. We will help you to optimize your YouTube channel and market it when you can see a good result.
Okay.
If
I
you
would
have
like
any
to know
question.
more information about what it is that you're offering.
Okay, actually, we will help you to grow your YouTube channel by using lots of method we can use. That means we will help you to optimize your each and every video on your title, description, and update keywords area. Also add the IKC video thumbnail for your each and every video. After that, we will market it by using all social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. That means share your content on all social media sites when you can see a good result day by day. This is called 100% organic work. After finish all this work, if you want, we'll help you to optimize your and market your YouTube channel by throwing Google ads. Okay.
Okay. So how much is this going to cost?
Actually, cost depends on our day. If you work with us weekly basis, then the budget is $70, and for a month, $250.
Starting when?
Please. Hello.
When does it start? The $250 a month.
$250 for a month. Yes.
And $70 deposit, you said?
$70 for a week.
$70 a week?
Yeah, weekly basis.
Okay, so how much is that a month? You're looking at 70 times 4, that's 280 plus the 250.
250, yes.
So it's 530 a month?
No. I want to telling you, if you work with us for a month, then we can work for you within a $250. Also, if you want, you can work with us for a week test basis, and for that our budget $70 only.
Uh-huh. What other people have you helped out to grow the YouTube channel?
Yeah. Okay, actually we have lots of targeted groups, pages, and lots of building site. Okay. We will use our Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, and Instagram profile. Also, if you want to use your account, no problem. We can use that. But I want to recommend you, we'll use our account because we have lots of targeted groups. Okay. And you can see a good result.
Okay, so it's $70 a week. And when does this start? When do y'all start?
Okay, we will start your work from today, and Ariyan Rasel hopefully provide you a good result from his site.
Okay. Well, I would need more information about your business. What's the name of your business? Outsourcing Institute?
Yeah, Outsourcing Institute.
So it's $70 for the first week and then $250 a month. How much money am I going to generate with YouTube? Because I don't make money. So
Yes, I understand. Please give us first week to research your YouTube channel. After that, we can join another Zoom meeting and provide you all details.
Okay, so you're gonna provide me all details the next time we meet?
Yeah, first week need to set up your YouTube channel and need to start your work and need to update your video thumbnail, keywords area, title, description, end screen, and I button areas. After that, we can see a good result day by day. You know, YouTube choose that channel who market their YouTube videos each and every day and share his content on all social media sites. That's why first week we don't provide you any targeted of result. After that, from second week, we'll provide you all details because we know that we know your analytics and dashboard report. Okay.
Okay, so you would need the $70. How?
Yes, $70 for first week to optimize, setup, and market your YouTube channel. After that, if you see our first week work is okay, then you can hire for next week.
Then the next week would be $70?
Yeah, first week $70.
Okay, and do you have the
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much to join with us. And within a few moments, Ariyan will send you all details in your Gmail account.
all right, thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you so much.